And this is the last startup with this exhaust on. I am getting a Valvetronic exhaust installed on my Jeep TrackHawk today. If you couldn't tell by the name Valvetronic, it has valves in the rear muffler. So I will be able to close off the exhaust, and I will also be able to open up the exhaust, and hopefully it'll be a lot louder. Honestly, hopefully it'll be kind of obnoxious. As a lot of you know, I got the welds on there courtesy of Fitment Industries. I have a support link below. Stockies in the rear because it's raining right now, and for the rear I have weld beadlocks with street radial tires, and it's raining. Not a good combo. I just got to the exhaust shop. I also have really pretty tips I'm excited about that are going on. And so yeah, you can tell I'm at an exhaust shop. Anyway, let's go get this done. Please note my ugly OEM tips. They're black, really dirty, and boring. Empty! Out with the old, in with the new. New exhaust coming along. Nice. Got new tips. They're really blue and really obnoxious. She's definitely throatier. Okay, so right now I have the valves actually zip tied open. The valves needed to be open for the first start after install, just in case there was any like debris or anything that needed to get pushed through, so that gets stuck in the valves and then break them or keep them from opening. I don't know what it sounds like with the valves closed, but my butt is literally shaking in my seat right now. Like, I feel like my entire body is vibrating. This thing is rumbly and gurgly, and it's not that much more obnoxious than it already sounded. It's not that much louder either, but it definitely is gurgling a lot more, which I'm okay with. But once we get home, I'm going to hook up the air lines so I can open and close the valves. Alright, so I've had the Valvetronic exhaust on my car for about a week now. I will say that I pretty much leave the valves open all the time. I found out that the valves actually close by themselves overnight, or like if the TrackHawk is parked for a long time, the valves will actually close by themselves. When the valves are closed, this thing sounds pretty much stock. When the valves are open, it's definitely like throatier, like gurgles more. There's like hardly any drone to this exhaust at all. It's really nice because I can hear the supercharger like literally all the time now, especially with this intake, but it does make me wonder if the new mufflers are somehow quieter than my stock mufflers. I don't know. I'm gonna add some clips for you guys, some before and after, so you guys can decide for yourselves. With the mufflers, you get this Valvetronic remote. When you press it, it opens the valves. You press it again, and it closes the valve. I don't know if you just heard the compressor kick on, but that's what that noise was. Remote. It's actually like really heavy. Like you could definitely use this as a paperweight. Valves open.